We've been using the Renishaw probes in Haas machines for years to set work offsets, but we've always wondered how accurate they really are and whether they can be used for part inspection, so we did a quick test to find out. We have a fairly tight tolerance on this inner width dimension of plus 0.002 minus 0. We set the part up in the machine and measured this dimension with the probe. I just used the Y pocket probing function from the offset table, but you can also do this from the VPS screen, with a macro call, or even with Fusion 360. Regardless of how you call the probing routine, the software writes several different parameters calculated during the routine to macro variables inside the machine memory. We've linked to the Haas Inspection Plus manual down below, which is a great resource for programming the Renishaw probe. On page 4-2, there's a table that lists each probing cycle and where the output values are stored. You can access these variables by pressing the Current Commands button and selecting the Macro Variables tab. For our pocket measurement, variable 10188 stores the size. Next, we set up a gauge block stack to be 2 10,000ths under the measurement, or 2.9516 inches. This slipped in fairly easily. This next stack is 2.9518, and it just barely slips in. In reality, you need maybe 1/10 of clearance for something to slip together like this, and I think because the measurement is actually showing 69 millionths larger than 2.9518, it works. The last stack is 2.9520, and this stack doesn't fit at all. It's important to remember, though, that an inspection needs to be done with the part in the free condition. If you have too much vice pressure, you're going to distort the part and affect the measurements. This is far from a metrology grade calibration or anything, but it did give us a data point to show that this could work. We're going to be doing a lot more of this with the new Fusion 360 probing routines. We're also going to be releasing some more videos about measurement and inspection very soon, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss these. Thanks!